Hey everyone, welcome back to Coding Hustlers. In today's video, we are going to solve one of the most popular LeetCode questions using Java. This problem is super common in interviews and it is a great way to understand brute force versus optimized thinking. Alright, so here is a problem statement. We are given with an array nums and an integer called target. Your task is to return the indices of the two numbers in the array that add up to the target. For example, if the input is 2, 7, 11, 15 and target is 9, your output should be 0 and 1 because num of 0 plus num of 1 is 9. So we return 9. You can assume there is exactly one solution and you cannot use the same element twice. It is in the constraints. Only one valid answer exists. So there is no case you should worry about the duplicacy. Let's start with the brute force approach. This is the most straightforward way to solve the problem. We simply use two nested loops to try every possible pair of numbers in the array and check if any pair adds up to the target. Let me show you the code for that. This was the code. We just run two loops, and if there is any pair which adds up to the target, then we return them. But our concern is to optimize this solution. The outer loop picks the first number, then the loops goes through the number after it. But this approach works, but it has a time complexity of n square. Okay, and now let's talk about the optimized solution using a hash map. This brings the time complexity down to the O of n, much better for performance. Here is the idea. As we loop through the array, we calculate complement, that is target minus this number. Let's say complement will be nums target minus nums of I, and check in the hash map. We're gonna check in the hash map if map is equals to hash map. Now we will check in the hash map whether it is present or not. Map dot contains key complement, if complement is present in the hash map or not. If it is present, then what we gonna do is we will return a new array with the value of map dot get complement, means the index of the complement, and the other index. Simple. But what if it is not present? If it is not present, then we just map dot put nums of I number and the index. What it will do is let's try run it. Take the example second, 3 to 4. What it will do is it will come to 3 first and try to find its complement. Its complement is 3. 3 is not present in the map as it is empty, so we will put the value of 3 and I in the hash map. Then we will go to 2 and find its complement. Its complement will be 4, which is also not represented in the hash map. So we will put 2 and its index 1 in the hash map. But when we come to the 4, its complement is 2, which is present in a hash map. It will return the value map.getComplement, means 2 की corresponding value 1. The corresponding value of 2 is 1, so we will return 1 and 0. We can return any order. You can return the answer in any order. So let's run it. There is an error. Okay, I missed the semicolon. Okay, we are not returning anything and the function is defined to return an int array, so we will just return empty array. It will not, and the code flow will not go there, because we are returning in this if condition. It is written in the question that solution will exit and only one solution is exiting. So it should run this time and submit it. Okay, 100%. So that's all. This is the solution of to some problem.